Today I'm at a car meet and I'm here with my cousin and our friends. What's your name?
Maddie. Navia. Sotera.
We're gonna go walk around and see what's over here.
Yes, car meet vibes. There's
Yep.
like a little tent.
And there's like a bunch of food. There's a bunch of food vendors.
Why is there cheering?
I think there's a circus in there, so.
But we're gonna go to the mall first so we can find a bathroom.
I think it's more of like a food vendor thing than car meet. But later we might go to another car meet, so.
Kind of giving the bathrooms.
Yeah. What the heck is that? I didn't even see that. What type of mall is this?
Wait, come to this mall.
Yeah, look come to this mall. What is going on? Oh, I see it.
Do you see it?
Restrooms. Yeah. Okay. Guys, there's so much people. Wanna go this way? There's just too much. I don't know where to go.
I want something under $15.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna get a matcha. Hello. Can I get the matcha?
The matcha.
Yes. No, thank you.
Sorry.
Wait, what did you get?
I got a taro drink.
Oh, taro?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, this is my matcha. Now, oh, I grabbed two. Now we're gonna try it. It's good. I give it a.
This looks really good. It's very good. Oh my god. I just wish it was a little bit colder, but
Yeah.
good. Why is there even more people?
It's a vlog. Yeah, low key. Spicy salmon and spicy tuna. Number 9. Top $13. $8 is the cheapest.
I'm gonna get a sweet and spicy cookie bowl.
Oh.
I don't care about the price. It's okay, guys.
I'm gonna get pot stickers.
You should.
Oh, she FaceTimed me. Hello?
Hey, where are you?
Do you see the stage?
The stage? Like, are you on this side? Or like
Left.
Or like more over
Left. Thank you. So I have to like wait to eat it. Too bad.
I can't believe they skipped over me.
Did they forget about you? Hey guys, it comes with sauce. Let's try the sauce. Okay guys, the sauce tastes like spicy sweet and sour sauce. But it's not that spicy.
Are those from here?
Yeah,
That's what we just ordered.
it's good.
Good.
You want to show?
Oh,
She got a poke bowl.
poke bowl with salmon.
We're walking left.
Well, turn around.
Turn around.
Yeah. Okay, we'll walk to you then. I see them. Did you actually? Okay, guys, we found them.
Hey.
What did you guys get?
Oh my god, you got dumplings? What'd you get? Oh, that
bowl.
looks really good.
Do you
You
want
got
to
it from
try?
like a food truck? Yeah, I did.
Yeah, there was so many options.
Should I try a little bit?
Yeah. This
you
is
try it
like
already?
yeah.
We just got, like, I don't even know what it's called.
That was good. We're at a vendor thing. Look at how cute these are.
Where's the nearest trash?
In your pocket.
Hey.
I finished my meal, guys. It was pretty good. So what'd you get?
So we got these two bracelets, flower bracelets, and then we got
And then you got like Sony
gosh.
Angels.
Yes. I kind of want
I want like
either
a-
the
I don't even care.
The bunny
honestly.
one?
I think I just want like a pink one
the
or
girl.
like a purple one.
You ready? Can I do it? You have to pop it.
I don't know how to do that.
have to pop
okay,
it.
whatever.
You ready?
You saw the color.
go.
I'm not gonna lie.
What the?
Wait, it's so funky.
Why do I have?
What?
Is that just the head?
Wait.
They scammed you, bro.
Why did the body fall off though?
Guys, I got a poke bowl and I'm really excited to eat it. It's delicious. Even though I don't like vegetables,
Should we eat a
guys,
little
I'm
bit?
gonna eat them.
We got like spicy something chicken and then
Just regular.
just regular chicken and then with lo mein.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But we ate a little bit before. But
So busted.
it's so good.
41 minutes, guys.
41 minutes?
Yep. Let's see if we make it. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Okay, guys, we're gonna go to another car meet, and then someone might be speeding. Just kidding. Drive safe. Guys, we made it, and now we have to find our way in. Wait, guys, I'm kind of excited.
Wait, we need to take a picture of here.
Cause I can.
Okay, we made it to the car meet. We just need to go to the cars.
You can hear them in the background, though.
Yeah.
I'm kind of excited because they're like actually drifting and stuff.
Yeah. It sounds
Hopefully,
like
we can find
really-
somewhere to sit, though.
Hopefully.
I think we will.
Yeah. Do you want to see my moonwalk?
Yeah.
Wait. Yep. They can't even see it. Look at that. Okay, guys. I'm happy, guys. so how do you like it so far?
I think it's really cool, and these cars are very fast.
Very dangerous, guys.
Yeah,
And a lot of smoke. It's about to blow up.
I like it.
Yeah, guys.
I love it. I'm actually happy.
Yeah.
Because it's like Fast and Furious, you know?
Tokyo Drift.
They need that. They need that plane.
Yeah.
They need that plane on the street.
One day we'll go to Tokyo. Yeah. Thumbnail.
Okay guys, we're done. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Guys, this is the end of the video.
Yeah.
See you in the next one.
Like and subscribe.